There are a few reasons why a teacher in elementary in Chino Valley Unified might have created his or her own gradebook or used a template that somehow got messed up. But I'm going to show you how to restore an existing gradebook so that it will function properly as a standards-based gradebook when it comes to reporting time. First, in the existing gradebook that needs to be perfected, please tap on Details if necessary, and then Manage Gradebook. The configuration page opens, and there are about 9 tabs beginning with Edit Gradebook and going all the way to Restore. To check your gradebook, you may open different areas such as Options, on which the first, third, and final boxes need to be tapped off. Categories, those look familiar for standards-based grading. And final marks. This one definitely needs to have a repair made. First, while you're in the gradebook, and you can see the name of the gradebook right here, tap on Restore. Then tap on the box next to the name of the gradebook, and then Next. You'll get a pop-up, and that is OK. Now in this pop-up, you'll need to find a teacher that has saved or basically, or backed up all of the templates that were provided. So I could go through here and find any number of people I think might have backed up their templates. I'm going to try this one. And then, nope, I don't see anything there. Here's another one. And all I'm doing is tapping on a name and then going to the right and tapping on the little drop-down arrow to see what is present. So now I have found a series of templates, and I need a 5th grade template, so I'm going to tap on that. The template has remained the same for the past several years, so it doesn't matter if that template happens to have come from last year or 2 years ago. It's absolutely fine. Now I can just simply tap on all this gobbledygook. It'll turn green, and I tap Next. I'm going to tap on OK twice. Oops, I'm sorry, just once. OK in that little tiny pop-up. And now there are 3 things I always click on just to make sure that the gradebook is set up properly. One is Assignment Categories. The second is Final Marks. And the third is Gradebook Options. Now we know this gradebook needed final marks, so why did I click on Categories and Options? Well, better safe than sorry. I always like to just make sure I've got all 3 of those clicked because that will make it the perfect elementary Chino Valley standards-based gradebook. Now tap on Restore Gradebook. It will do its process. Tap OK to acknowledge. And now this gradebook is all set up so at reporting time, the scores will come out properly. Thank you.